thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways